Hello, Emily.
Hi, Paul. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today.
Me too. Today, we are going to learn something very useful for daily life, how to describe your friends in English.
That's right. Whether you're talking with classmates, coworkers, or new friends, it's important to know words and sentences to describe people.
And don't worry, we will make it simple, fun, and interactive.
But first, a small favor. If you like this episode, please click the like button and subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And share it with your friends who want to practice speaking English about people. Describing appearance.
Let's start with appearance. Appearance is how someone looks.
You can describe hair, eyes, height, weight, and style.
Examples. My friend Sarah has long brown hair.
Tom has blue eyes and wears glasses.
My friend is tall and thin.
She always wears colorful clothes. Role play. Emily, can you describe your best friend?
Sure. My best friend is Anna. She has short black hair and brown eyes. She is medium height and always wears beautiful dresses.
That sounds lovely.
Let's add more words for hair. Straight, curly, wavy, short, long, thick, thin.
And for eyes, big, small, round, almond-shaped.
For example, my friend has curly brown hair and big green eyes.
He has short blonde hair and small blue eyes.
Listeners, pause the video and describe your best friend's hair and eyes.
Now, let's talk about personality, how your friend behaves or feels.
Simple words: friendly, kind and easy to talk to, funny, makes you laugh, helpful, always ready to help, smart or intelligent, knows a lot and thinks well, shy, quiet and careful with new people, polite, uses good manners.
Role play. Emily, how is your friend Anna?
Anna is very friendly and funny. She is also helpful and smart.
That's a great friend.
You can also combine appearance and personality. Anna has short black hair and brown eyes. She is friendly and helpful.
Let's add more personality adjectives. Brave, cheerful, calm, patient, creative, energetic, loyal, honest.
For example, my friend Tom is brave and calm. Sarah is creative and cheerful.
Listeners, now think of your friend and choose 3 adjectives for their personality.
Next, we can describe what your friend likes to do.
Examples. Tom likes football and basketball.
Sarah enjoys reading books and painting.
My friend loves music and sings very well.
He likes cooking and helping at home.
Role play. Emily, what does Anna like to do?
She likes painting and reading storybooks. She also loves animals and sometimes volunteers at an animal shelter.
That's amazing.
Other hobbies are sports, dancing, hiking, writing, playing instruments, watching movies, playing video games, gardening.
You can say, my friend loves hiking and gardening, or he enjoys playing the piano and reading.
Let's describe your friend's special qualities. What makes them unique? Honest, brave, creative, cheerful, loyal, patient, smart, energetic.
Role play. Emily, how is Anna?
Anna is very creative and honest. She is cheerful and brave too.
Wow, you have a very interesting friend.
You can mix personality and hobbies. My friend is creative and loves painting. He is friendly and enjoys playing football.
We can describe friends in school, work, or daily life.
Examples. At school, my classmate John is very smart. He helps me with homework. At work, my coworker Lisa is friendly. She always helps new employees. Daily life, my neighbor Sarah is funny. She always makes me laugh.
Role play. Emily, how would you describe your neighbor?
My neighbor is very kind. She always smiles and says hello. She is helpful too.
That's a polite and clear way to describe someone.
Beginners sometimes make mistakes, using only one word, like she funny, X. Correct, she is funny. Yes. Forgetting is or has, my friend long hair. X. Correct, my friend has long hair. Yes. Making very long sentences. Keep it simple.
Yes, simple sentences are clear, polite, and easy to remember.
Now, let's practice together. Pause the video and answer these questions about your friend. What does your friend look like? Hair, eyes, height? What is your friend's personality? What hobbies or activities does your friend enjoy? What is one special quality about your friend?
After answering, try one full sentence. My friend Sarah has curly black hair. She is friendly and loves painting.
Let's check your knowledge. I will give you an adjective and you make a sentence. 1. Funny.